Dear children, welcome to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jinisha, your EVS teacher. Hope you all are fine. Hope you all have gone through previous day's topic. Did you read the text? I am sure you all are good students and you will do that. Still, I remind you that teachers are not there to check whether you are listening to the class or reading the text. So be honest to yourself and study well. We have discussed about rocks, different types of rocks, igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. And today let's discuss about the third type of rock, metamorphic rocks. Metamorphosis means change. So metamorphic rocks were originally sedimentary or igneous rocks. The high temperature and pressure deep inside the rock caused changes to the minerals in the rocks. What are minerals? Minerals are the building blocks of rocks. We studied that rocks are made up of two or more minerals. So due to the high temperature and pressure, changes occurs to the minerals in the rocks. As a result, the rocks become tougher and harder and form another type of rock known as metamorphic rocks. So metamorphic rocks were originally sedimentary or igneous rocks. Metamorphic rocks were formed from sedimentary or igneous rocks. Due to the high temperature and pressure, it causes changes in the minerals present in these rocks. As a result, it becomes tougher and harder and forms metamorphic rocks. There are different types of metamorphic rocks. They are marble, quartzite, slate and gneiss. So there are four types of metamorphic rocks: marble, quartzite, slate and gneiss. So all these type of rocks were formed either from sedimentary or igneous rocks. Let us discuss about each type of rock. First one is marble. You all know what marble is. Marble is formed when limestone undergoes changes. What is limestone? Which type of rock it is? Yes, limestone is a type of sedimentary rock. So when limestone undergoes changes, it becomes a metamorphic rock called a marble. When the mineral present in the limestone, which mineral is present in the limestone? Yes, calcite. When this mineral undergoes changes, limestone becomes tougher and harder and forms marble. So marble is a metamorphic rock formed from the sedimentary rock limestone. Marble can be polished easily. It is used in buildings and statues. It can be seen in different colors like pink, grey, white, even black. Now the second type of rock is quartzite. Quartzite is a type of metamorphic rock formed from sandstone. What is sandstone? Sandstone is a sedimentary rock. And which mineral is present in sandstone? Yes, quartz. So when the mineral in the sandstone undergoes changes, it becomes a metamorphic rock called a quartzite. Quartzite is hard and tough. It is used in making monuments, buildings and also used to make jewellery. So quartzite is used to make jewellery, monuments and buildings. Then the third type of metamorphic rock is slate. Slate is formed from shale. Shale is also a type of sedimentary rock. Shale is found in different colors and it is used to make writing slates, blackboard and roof tiles of buildings. So shale is formed from slate. It is found in many colors. It is used to make writing boards, blackboards, and roof tiles of buildings. Now the fourth type of metamorphic rock is gneiss. 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 It is formed from granite. Granite is a type of igneous rock. So gneiss is formed from granite. Gneiss is a metamorphic rock formed from granite, which is an igneous rock. It has large grains and also irregular bands of different colors. It also has glitters because it contains a shiny mineral called mica. So gneiss is a metamorphic rock formed from granite, which is an igneous rock. It has large grains and irregular bands of different colors. It also has glitters because of the presence of a shiny mineral called mica. Which are the different types of metamorphic rocks? Marble, quartzite, slate, and gneiss. Which metamorphic rock is formed from limestone? Yes, marble. Marble is the metamorphic rock formed from limestone. Quartzite is the metamorphic rock formed from sandstone. Slate is a metamorphic rock formed from shale. And gneiss is a metamorphic rock formed from granite. Hope you all have understood the topic. Read the text, page number 12. From notebook, you study question number 5 and 6 from Name the Following. There is a test paper attached along with this. Do the test and submit it. So let's meet in the next class with another topic. Thank you.